Hey, name's Matt. Welcome to the channel.
Who was that back there? I don't actually know who that was. I'm starting to remember why I usually don't come this way. I've made a mistake. I have made a mistake coming this way. Okay, they've been there for a minute. There we go. This is not the speed I want to go. I want to go faster. Like that there, just then, is the speed I want to go. You know, the speed limit. Oh, is this it? Yeah, that's it. It's just like a bunch of chickens, I guess. Maybe it's not all roosters, like I kind of thought, but I've never seen anything like that. It just looks like a bunch of tents. Okay, my hands are officially cold. Oh, get this off. I want my warm gloves. Gimme. Oh, that wasn't on this whole time. That's not great. Oh, already better. Oh, aside from the part that it's not, because it was just in the cold air. Oh, that cold air was being funneled in here. Eek. You know, once the heating element warms up, it'll be real toasty, real quick. You know what? Since there's traffic right now, let's go check on my favorite fishing spot. Well, yeah, I mean, it's still here. I'm not sure if the lawn's been mowed or if it simply died in the cold.
I was born to be wild.
All right. And now, the way is clear. You're waiting, right? All right, thank you. I'll turn in here. I could go to the bicycle shop. Be like, wait a minute. What is all this? None of these bikes have engines. Like, sir, there's a problem with all of your products. They're all missing engines. I need to take some of these side roads and see where they go. Yeah, let's do it. What is this? Mariposa? Sure. What is that? Is this a dirt track? Did I find a dirt track? Oh my god, it's a demolition derby area. What? That's awesome. What is this? East Lincoln Speedway. Dude. That's pretty cool.